Hi guys, Crasher. What I've actually decided to do for this video is do a proper review on the Greek goddess transformer. I've been using it for a while now, so I've pretty much formed an opinion on it. So, yeah, I'll go through this and I will try to do my best to explain it to you and what my thoughts are towards it and so on and so forth. Alright. With the transformer, you have three options. You've got three options. Your first option is the giant. There you go. Got my Janty stick lying around if you want to see a comparison. So you've got the giant, the Grant, and the Nano. So you can use it at three different heights. Whatever you prefer. If you want something smaller, you can use something smaller. If you want something bigger, you can use something bigger. I personally have been using one of these Trustfire batteries. It's the which one is this? It's the 18650. It's 2500 milliamps. I got about 11.5 or 12 hours of very decent vaping until I saw the vapor starting to drop off when I'm using one of these. Alright, so what I will do is I've got a few of the accessories here and I've got the adapters here, so I'll try to show them off. I'm not really going to use the different adapters because there's really no point to showing you what the vapor looks like with every single one because it'll be pretty much the same. Okay, so basically when you buy it, this is the device itself. And it's nice and shiny. It's got a lockable switch. The switch is on the side, which if you're used to pushing a switch at the bottom, it'll take a bit of getting used to, but I definitely like this better because you can just kind of hold it in your hand and do this, or if you want to try to smoke it like a pipe, you can do that. Let's see, there's just so many features I don't really know where to start. That, and with the switch on the side being raised up a bit, it won't actually roll over if you put it on a table, which is really nice. It's kind of hard. I don't know, I've had that problem recently. I'll put something down and it'll just roll off the table and then I'll have to go looking for it. It'll be somewhere on the floor. Okay, so that is what it looks like. But what you can do is, as an option, you can get the brass caps for it. So basically, there you go, brass caps. So the whole thing will be silver and then you can use it with the brass caps. That's what I prefer to do because, I don't know, it's a bit of I like the look, so to say, so that is the way that I like to use mine. Okay, there you go. I've got the brass caps on, so you can see they match up with the switch. Looks pretty nice. You can also get adapters for it. So that is an 801 adapter, and here is a 510 adapter. Okay. What I find best if I'm just going out somewhere, I don't really feel like carrying a really big battery with me or just having something really heavy in my pocket, I like to use one of these batteries. It's a CR123A battery at 3.7 volts. You can use either protected or unprotected. And with so many options, I have noticed that sometimes the battery is too short, so what you can do is you can either extend the spring a little yourself if you want to, or you can use magnetic spacers. So Here we go. So 3.7 volts, and I'll show you what the vapor looks like on that. That, by the way, the whole thing is completely mechanical, so you can drip as much as you want without actually ruining the device itself, which is great because I love to use my 901 atomizers, and ever so often what you notice is the little hole on the side, juice starts coming out of that, and it's actually a bit of a pain, and it's actually happening right now. So just unscrew the switch so you know it's unlocked. Great throat hit, loads of vapor, and I'm using the 901 because I love the flavor I get from it. I find that the 3.7 at 3.7 volts, the 901 atomizer really kicks in. Although this isn't a true 901 atomizer because it's the one from Totally Wicked, but still, there isn't much of a difference for me. Here you go. Great throat hit, loads of vapor, love the flavor. Battery life on this will last you, well, depends on how you use it really, but about 6 hours of decent, you know, vaping. Alright, next, I will go ahead and show off the 6 volt option. So, CR123 batteries, they're both 3 volts a piece. So there's one, there's another. Now what I actually did is I added on one of the pieces. This is the smaller piece that I added on. I'm sure you can tell that. There's the bigger piece. So I added on the smaller piece. Where'd my atomizer go? Oh, there it is. Okay, now there you go. If you can see there is a bit of a gap. So that's one of the reasons I kind of prefer to have it a bit longer. So if you use the